Hey, this is Abhi from Pressure Clean. I'm here at a property in Griffith today. These are 3 commercial units that we're about to clean. You can see there's a lot of cobwebs on the walls here, so we'll be cleaning all these walls here today, and also the windows. There's quite a fair bit of cobwebs around this place. I'll do a video once it's all done. I've got myself and a couple of technicians here today. We will be cleaning this commercial place and make it look nice. We have this few car parks here that we got to clean as well. Just the walls, and also those windows all the way up. And it basically ends up here with the beautiful ivy climbing up the wall. Yeah, so we will be cleaning this up today and giving a bit of a fresh look. Thank you.